I purchased this Janus three-wheel golf cart off of Amazon. Always wanted a three-wheel golf cart. And the reason I went this route is because I wanted a golf cart that's going to be more stable, more balanced, because I have a large size golf bag. I had a two-wheel golf cart, but this is made in China. It didn't come in a marketing box with all the nice colors. It's just a regular cardboard box, so I think that's what helps keeps the cost down. So let's see what else is going on in this plastic. The first step it tells me to do is to install the rear wheels first. My next step is to install the front wheel. The next thing it says is to deploy the trolley frame and fix it. Expand the trolley structure, cover and tighten the cover. Alright, it's full assembled. It's easy to break down. There's elastic bungee cords to secure this bag, which is like I said, once again, a large bag. It's well secured. There's a water bottle holder right here. There's an insulated bag to keep your beverages cold. There's this cover right here. It's not a well-made cover, but it'll keep your keys or whatever you want to put in there. 2 compartments for your golf balls. Compartment to hold your tees and your pencil. The handle's well made. It's got like a nice rubber grip. It doesn't feel like it's a cheap type of material. And there's a brake down here to stop your cart from rolling. But I'm looking forward to trying this out in the spring. I want to use this to lose weight. Look for your golf balls that you lose in the grass, because I'll be walking. I'll have more time to look for balls and think for my next shot. But there will be a follow-up video. And now if you have problems with your putting, you might want to try this little gadget out right here.